First up, the colorful rice sensory bin. It's easy to make and provides endless fun. To prep, simply mix a cup of rice with a tablespoon of white vinegar and a few drops of food coloring in a sealed bin.
Add spoons, measuring cups, and small toys.
Activity number 2 is a science experiment they can touch. We are making oobleck, or non-Newtonian fluid.
All you need is cornstarch and water. Mix about 2 parts cornstarch to 1 part water.
Watch the magic. When you squeeze it, it acts like a solid. Let it relax, and it turns back into a liquid.
Our third activity is so simple, it can be done during bath time. It's sink or float. This introduces basic physics and vocabulary like heavy, light, up, and down.
Sensory play is about exploring, learning, and making memories. Use what you have at home. It doesn't need to be fancy.